Welcome everybody to another 360 adventure. This time, we're at Disney World's Winter Summerland Mini Golf. And now for some family rules. The winner of each hole gets 1 point. No points are given if the hole is tied. The person with the most points wins. Plus, we have a couple other rules, but we won't get into that. As of now, here is the score. Now let's get into it.
Shall I get the hole in one?
Okay.
Denied. Oh, that was a close try.
Yeah, come right back.
Oh. Look out, look out, look out. Still gets the best shot from the second. Yikes, holy cow, she's really going for it.
I didn't hit that hard.
Oh, you didn't, not at all. Yeah, I think it's red that goes.
Pink.
Red.
Pink.
Red.
It's pink on pink.
It's red.
Pink.
I don't know your colors.
That's red.
No, that's pink. Right where I aimed it. Put this in mind, you could actually win the hole.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes! Woohoo!
If Jacob puts this in, he ties.
1 point. Oh, he's doing his frog. 1 point.
Nope. Ladies and gentlemen, this is for a chance to tie for the win. She hits it. It comes back.
No.
Mom is the official winner of this hole. Nope.
It's stuck in the middle. What?
All right. Just within a foot, you can tap it in.
You can tap it in. Get down and make it in.
So how many is that?
That's 4.
1 point. Lacey's got it in 3.
Yes.
Alright, I'm just gonna go. Here you go. That's number 3.
That's 4, Joe.
4. Jake, how many is that for you? 4. So
Okay, so